Murder-for-hire case is now at the center of a federal court battle spanning 2 states.
A New Albany business owner is suing LMPD and Indiana law enforcement over how they handled the investigation. Edward Smith is in the newsroom with details. Edward?
Henry Bachman was arrested and charged in connection to a conspiracy to commit murder after a shooting in New Albany. Police say he tried to have a former motorcycle gang member killed. Now Bachman and his attorneys say officials unlawfully searched and seized his property in Louisville.
A 32-page complaint filed in federal court takes aim at numerous law enforcement agencies on both sides of the river, accusing them of working together in an unlawful cross-state search and seizure. The suit accuses the Floyd County Prosecutor's Office of orchestrating the scheme targeting Henry Bachman's property in Louisville. Bachman's attorney says the office created documents for a search warrant across state lines in Kentucky, which the lawsuit claims is unlawful. According to the suit, when law enforcement, including LMPD, raided and seized cash from Bachman's property on Main Street, they failed to document what they took.
Our complaint in federal court is you went to Kentucky on the Indiana authority, you took money from Kentucky, presumably on Indiana authority, left Kentucky, left the Kentucky courts, and went to an Indiana court and tried to have it forfeited. That's a problem.
Matthew Lemmy is Bachman's attorney and says when he challenged the seizure, he was given the runaround.
In this case, property was seized from Kentucky, and there's no record of it having occurred in Kentucky. So we come to Indiana, and when we wanted to challenge the search warrant in Kentucky, of course, the Indiana prosecutor said, well, you should go to Kentucky.
Kentucky then pointed Lemmy back to Indiana. After Bachman filed a motion seeking the return of the cash, a judge ordered prosecutors to provide the amount that was seized. Prosecutors then missed that deadline and justified keeping the money, according to the lawsuit.
We're saying it's illegal, it's unlawful, and it shouldn't be done, and the money should be given back. And we're saying that my client's rights were violated, and my rights were violated.
The suit also claims prosecutors then targeted Lemmy after he challenged the search by threatening an intimidation charge.
I've been asked to stop. I've been told to stop. I'm not here to make enemies, but I represent a client. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to do a job.
And his attorneys are asking a federal judge to have the seized money returned. At this time, the Floyd County Prosecutor's Office is not commenting on this lawsuit, and LMPD released a statement saying the department does not comment on pending litigation. In the newsroom, Edward Smith, WLKY News.